Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about the EOS Pomegranate Raspberry Lasting Hydration Lip Care. So this is a lip balm. It comes with this really cute egg ball shaped thing. I think they call it an egg. EOS is a evolution of smooth. They've been around for a while with these lip balms, and I have this in the flavor pomegranate raspberry. It comes in a few different flavors. This specific one that I have is organic, and it's 100% natural, and it has organic oils and shea butter. I think that this is super cute. The packaging itself is nice and smooth, and it doesn't come just like this. It comes in a plastic, or it comes with attached to like a cardboard with like plastic around it that attaches it to the cardboard back. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and open this up. It is just so stinking cute, and it also smells really good. It's a fruity smell, which it's pomegranate raspberry, so that makes sense. And you just apply it just like a regular lip balm, and it snaps so you can hear it. This is one of my favorite lip balms. This specific pomegranate one I just bought, but I've been using EOS for on and off for a few years, and I really like it. The product lasts a really long time, which is really nice. I mean, it lasts like this, using this a couple times a day, every single day, it'll probably last me like 3 or 4 months, to be honest. Like, it just lasts a really long time. Once it gets to a certain point, you are gonna have to like use your finger to put it on, kind of like a jar, like the lip balms that are like in a jar, like Carmex or something. But while it's still like new like this, you can apply it straight directly to your lips like you would with any other lip balm, that's how I use it. And it makes my lips really nice and soft, and it doesn't dry my lips out. I think with a lot of chapsticks and lip balms, they dry your lips out. Like they're meant to moisturize your lips, right? And they do, but then once it dries, your lips feel extremely dry, which causes you to put more on and more on and more on, and so you find yourself like putting lip balm and chapstick on all throughout the day, and then you just go through the product super quickly, and then you have to go and buy more. And this product is not like that. Like, I can literally put this on at the beginning of the day, and halfway through the day, once it's like dried and it's like kind of been wiped from my lips through like eating and talking, I'll forget that I even had it on to begin with, because my lips still feel soft and moisturized, which is not the case usually. If I use like chapstick or something like that, or even Carmex, like halfway through the day, like I will know that I put that on earlier in the day because my lips feel like unnaturally dry. So that is not the case with this, and that is absolutely amazing. That is like this. It's pretty small. It fits right in your hand, so it's really nice to like just throw in your bag, throw in your purse. Of course, because of the shape of it, it's not gonna it's gonna take up a little bit more room than like other chapsticks and lip balms will, but I mean, it's still pretty small. I think it'd be hard to find a place where it didn't fit. So yeah. And like I said, this is just really moisturizing. Sometimes I will apply it like halfway through the day, but it's not because I feel like I need to, because my lips are extremely dry. It's just because I kind of want to, just to make sure that I keep them super moisturized throughout the day, especially in like the winter. That's like really the main time that I will like apply it more than once a day, just because my lips will already be prone to dryness and getting chapped, so I'll apply it more than once a day. But like I said, it's not because I feel the dryness in my lips from it, but because I just feel the dryness and I don't want my lips to get dry due to like the weather and just the environment and just like normal everyday drying out of lips, I guess, if that makes sense. But yeah, this is probably, of all, I've tried several lip balms, Blistex, Carmex, chapstick. This is one of my favorite ones to use because it lasts a long time. I don't feel the need to apply it over and over and over again throughout the day. It's really cute packaging. So this is more like a dark fuchsia magenta color for the pomegranate raspberry color. The different flavors come in different colors. They have like light blue, and I can't remember any of the other colors right now. But they also have a website where you can go to. You can order these on their website, at the store, on Amazon. You can go to evolutionofsmooth.com, which is what EOS stands for, EOS. But yeah, I really love this product and I highly recommend it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.